Hi. Hello, Thompson. So, could you tell me what's the tool? Because I see many factories they produce this one tool.
Okay. First, this machine and this rug, this brusher, this is soft. We can see.
Yes, soft. Yeah.
Yes, this is for clean. For example, potatoes.
So no peeling, just polishing.
Yes.
Okay.
No peeling, just. And second, we have this part, and all the dirty will draw down from here, and the wet we can clean the wet through here. Okay, and the water will go out from this pipe.
Oh,
okay.
This is very good.
This is the second point.
Yeah.
And another point, we can see with this brusher, we only add this white and this white. Okay. This is almost 200 cm only. Okay.
So it will not take too much space, right?
Yes. Could you find where is the model? Let me introduce. Okay. The models are behind the machine and on the button. Okay. The models are here.
Oh.
Okay. And save space. You can see here. And the button switch we place it here. Okay. And more safer and more easy to operation.
Yeah, okay, so to be honest, your machine is really looks more stable than others.
Yes. Okay.
It's very stable.
Okay. Thank you, Jason.
Yeah, you're welcome.
结束按这个。